Hello, welcome to my channel. This video is about how to bid on Upwork. Ready to land your first job on Upwork? There's a good guide to help you get let go. First, log into your Upwork account and make sure your profile is complete and polished. Next, browse the job listing to find projects that match your skills. Use filters to narrow down your search. Click on a job that interests you and carefully read the description. Make sure you understand the client requirement. Click Submit a Proposal. Set your rate and write a tailored cover letter. Highlight your experiences and why you are the best fit for the job. Answer any screening questions and attach relevant work samples if you have them. Review your proposal and finally click Submit Proposal. Remember to check your messages regularly and respond promptly. And that's it. With a strong proposal, you will be well on your way to landing your first job on Upwork. Good luck! Now hit the like, share and subscribe for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching.